So the next step is to create a detail sheet in Microstation. We're going to check if the horizontal layout here is correct. So let's do a 3D free orbit here. And you can see these lines aren't connecting, so let's go ahead and connect them before the horizontal layout. So we can exit, connect there, and there. And now you can see we have a perfect horizontal layout of the ramp that we can import into Microstation. Let's go back to View Manager, set the ortho, set current. So one roadway, new file, browse to 2D seed zone 5. I'm going to put in the working folder. This is the file name 7150090GA-GA01. Save. Next, we get here, we go to set up the coordinate system. Under Utilities, go to Coordinate System, click on the library, 83, Zone 5. Next, we reference in the DWG that you made. Civil 3D. That's the DWG, the design file. Okay, let's check this. So it's coincident. Scale is 1:1. No nesting. Press OK. Let's get out of here. Zoom extents. And let's check. There's our DWG ramp. Let's check we're in the right place by going and checking the aerial. And you can see that we're in the right location. There's Carl Canyon, there's PCH. So I'll turn this off. Next, we're going to copy those purple lines, the construction lines. So let's turn off the white feature lines here. So go to Level Display. Let's right click, All Except Element. Click on that. And you can see the purple lines show up. So we're going to copy that. Oh, actually, let's not do that. All on, let's do this instead. Click on there, click on the DWG, all on, and go right click, all off by element. So we're going to turn off the feature lines. So now we've got the purple line showing and the alignment. That's what we need. So let's copy. This is the lip of gutter. Select that. This is the flow line. Need that. This is the back of curb, back of curb, back of curb, the ramp, the flare. Here's the ramp. This is the landing sidewalk. So that's what we need to copy. And we do need the center line. So copy, and then use your snap. We're copying that, snap it back to the point. Oops, do we have it in the right place? I don't think so. Let's try that again. Lip of gutter, flow line, back of curb, retaining curb, ramp, landing, and sidewalk. Oh, and the flare. So that's all highlighted. And the center line, click on that. And there you go. Let's turn off the reference file. And you can see we copied them all there. This is on the right levels, road miscellaneous. So let's clean this up. Delete for the retaining curb, delete that. Check for that. That's a retaining curb. We don't need this. So let's trim multiple. Take off this and this. That looks pretty good. Let's trim the sidewalk here. We need to explode these in alignment, so drop the elements. Drop, drop, and now we can trim it. It's supposed to be. Let's see here. Let's try that again. I have to click twice. There you go. Now we can trim. And then there was this. So let's place a line. We forgot to copy that. This one here. Okay, go back to reference. Turn off the reference file. We can go to trim again. And there you go. That's the whole entire ramp here. Save settings. And now let's reference in the alignment. Tools, attach. Let's go to design and master. Design, master, and then design, master, and then let's reference in the alignment here. We'll go with a 50 scale alignment. This one. Open. So it's world, 1-to-1, no nesting. And where to go? Okay, that was wrong. When we did alignment, got shifted. Let's attach the 20 scale instead. Tools, attach. Let's go attach this one, the 20 scale. World. Okay, that's the correct one. You can see the FL alignment. So we also need to attach the topo file. So let's attach. Which one is it? Existing striping 2D. That's the one here. So we've got world, 1-to-1, enter. And then an important step is we have to update the sequence. Let's put the live sheet at the bottom, the topo all the way at the top like this. And you can see it's overlapping now. It's supposed to be, yeah, it's overlapping. Okay, let's turn off those levels that we don't need on the topo. Right here, click on that, right click, off by element. Let's turn off these points here. Right click, off by element, points, points, points. And we don't need these guys here either. should be good enough. And then save settings. Now let's rotate the view. You can see the stationing goes from right to left, which is supposed to be the other way. And we want this aligned with the center line. So go to rotate view right there, 2 points. Let's click on this guy here and then use the snap to rotate the view. And now it's aligned and the stationing is reading from left to right. Save settings. And that's the beginning part of making this detail sheet here. Be sure to save settings before you leave.